today's episode, I have with me a cryptocurrency trader and cryptocurrency expert, Stephen Samson.
From the word cryptocurrency, you know that it's already a currency, right?
Yeah.
We have dollar, we have euros,
Yeah.
naira, and all of that. So crypto is a kind of currency on its own, but the only difference is this, that crypto is not traditional in a way that it's not under banks.
Yeah.
For instance, it's decentralized. Crypto is fully decentralized. Banks have, they can hold your funds, but crypto is, there's no owner in a way that you can move your funds anytime you like, whenever you like, but bank can limit you. There are a lot of risks, there are a lot of challenges, but one thing for sure you should not do is don't invest what you cannot afford to lose.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm very fine, sir.
Hope you are good.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for showing up on my
thank you
show.
for having me on the show.
I'm so grateful. How was your day?
My day was awesome. So stressful, very stressful.
Very stressful, yeah, very stressful because it was trying to locate this location, and so but it's here right now. It's here. So hope you are good.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm very good.
Yeah. So we want to talk about cryptocurrency.
Right. Sure.
Right. So we have a lot of people wants to dive into cryptocurrency, but so much like they don't know how to. Right.
Okay.
And you're an expert.
Right.
Right. So that's nice. So how does cryptocurrency work?
Okay. Cryptocurrency. Okay, first let me just start by defining what crypto is. Cryptocurrency. Okay. From the word cryptocurrency, you know that it's already a currency, right?
Yeah.
We have dollar, we have euros, naira, and all of that. So crypto is a kind of currency on its own, but the only difference is this, that crypto is not traditional in a way that it's not under banks.
Yeah.
For instance, it's decentralized. Crypto is fully decentralized. Banks have, they can hold your funds, but crypto is, there's no owner in a way that you can move your funds anytime you like, whenever you like, but bank can limit you.
Yeah.
Okay, so how cryptocurrency works? A lot of people use crypto for different reasons. Some for investments, some just for safety's sake.
Yeah.
Like some people now, like let me use some politicians.
Yeah.
Some of them, like, they cannot put their money in bank, so yeah. That's like
they use crypto.
Why some investment, like I said, trading. Right.
Yeah. So how do I store or secure my cryptocurrency?
Okay, how you store and secure cryptocurrency. Okay, we have centralized exchange and we have decentralized exchange. Centralized exchanges are wallets like we have Binance, Bybit, Bitget, and the likes.
Yeah.
And why decentralized is Trust Wallet, Phantom, Software, and yeah. So that is how you can store your destiny. It just depends on depends on the one you want. Centralized now is centralized now is controlled by a company. By Trust Wallet is anytime you like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So how do I choose the right cryptocurrency exchange? How do I choose like the right cryptocurrency exchange?
How you choose the right? Okay. How you choose the right? Okay, we have couples of exchanges, but I'll say you choose is based on majority.
Yeah.
Because the more people are on it, the more credible it is.
Yeah.
Because newer exchanges, let's run.
Yes.
80% let's run. I still recently heard of an Asian exchange or so. The man ran away with millions of dollars.
Wow.
They cannot locate it now. I think he faked his death also. I think you should have heard of that. So if you want to pick a cryptocurrency exchange, just based on reputation, credibility, what are the majority into? Yeah.
Wow. So what are the risks and challenges when we are investing in cryptocurrencies? Like the risk, the challenges, can we lose our crypto? All of that.
Risk. Okay, crypto is risky. Crypto is very risky. Very risky. Very, very. It's a volatile market. So the risks and challenges involved. Okay, there are a lot of risks, there are a lot of challenges. But one thing for sure you should not do is don't invest what you cannot afford to lose. So that's what many people do at times. The big guys, most people see in crypto today, they have money, they have serious money. So for instance, if a big guy loses $10,000, it's like 10K naira.
Yeah.
But if somebody that gonna put his school fees lose $300, is like $1 million to him.
Yeah.
So that's how it is. So risk, actually, just put what you can afford to lose. There's no pressure in crypto. Just put what you can afford to lose. And that's it.
Well, and how do I stay up to date? Like someone who is just starting, how do they stay up to date to the news and everything going on in the crypto market?
Okay. We have a lot of most of these big guys in crypto. They have free groups. So, and most of them drop their updates. They drop new updates. Okay. Most of them, they drop new updates on their group. But what may I do is this. You get updates on Telegram. Yeah, Telegram channels. And you get updates on Twitter. On Twitter, you get a lot of updates, a lot. Yeah, so I'll just say to be updated, just be on Twitter, be active on Twitter, very active, and follow most of these influencers. But most of these influencers are just, they are scams. So just follow most of the influencers and big guys on Telegram. Yeah.
Yeah, so you spoke about scam, right? Yeah. Lastly, like you spoke about scam. So how do people protect themselves from scam? Because in crypto, you cannot, I learned that because when I was doing my research, I'm not like the crypto guy, all right, I'm not. But then I learned that once you lose your crypto, that's the end. Once you send it to somebody, that's the end. You can recover your money if you send it, like somebody scam you, like we can report, but in crypto, it is gone. So how do people prevent being scammed in the crypto world?
Okay, to prevent being scammed, first I would say don't be under pressure.
Yeah.
Because if an airdrop launch now or just airdrop or a new project is launching, most experts, these tech guys, they create a clone, and newbies, their own is just to jump anything. Like before now, airdrops, if you click on it, they can just wipe your wallet. I don't know how they connect it, but it's just, in fact, there was a time on Telegram that if you paste, because there's something called bunk bot, that is, you are trading Solana. If you paste your key phrase, you're not chatting to somebody, you just put it on your keyboard, somebody will get it. How? I don't know. So one thing I would just say is they should not click anything. They should avoid clicking links. Yeah.
So thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you find value in this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, like, share. Share it to your friends, share it to your family. And also, if you want to connect with me and my guest and even the TV show, go down in the description below or in this video and you see everything. Everything right there. And I can't wait to see you in the next video to connect with you. Let's go.